Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the value of k. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. For k, you can do about 2 to the power of 2k. 2 to the power of 2k multiplied with number 2, you will got about 2k plus 1. Next, we have the root of 2k plus 1 with 2k plus 1 that we cancel together. Now you got about number 2. This one we can put about 2 to the power of 1 over 3. And now we have the same base, that's about number 2 and number 2. And now we can get the final answer. K plus 1 equal to number 3, so we got about k equal to 3 minus 1, you got about number 2. That's the end. Thank you for watching.